To my beautiful viewers out there, Sanbonani once again. I do go by the name of Shaz Msomi. This is The Rising. Sikhona la Evida Local Lounge, 150 Lady Smith. Namhlanje siniphathele an amazing media personality kodwa uku radio, but we're going to get to see that later on the show. For now, stay tuned for more. So guys, as I did promise you before, Uguti, namhlanje siniphathele Kwanda Sithole, that's his surname. We're going to get to find out more about him namhlanje, about the job that he does in Nqubeko FM. Yes, he usebenza in Nqubeko FM, he's a radio presenter there. But we're going to find out information ngaye once we get to actually talk to him. So, Kwanda, how are you doing, my man?
Shaz, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah,
great to be here. I'm part of this show. I've seen it a lot of times, and such an honor for me with Menu, and yeah, I just hope that I will have like good time together.
The only thing in Funayo is just to interact with you, find out more about you and the job that you do in Nqubeko FM, because it is a local radio station as well, guys. So sifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi who is Kwanda Sithole? Please explain to us ukuthi ubani uKwanda Sithole nje.
Okay, Kwanda Sithole, as you just said, ngiqhamuke endaweni yaseZakheni ngile khona from my early childhood kuze kube manje ngisahlala khona. Ukufunda kwami ngifunde in Durban. I was studying at the University of KwaZulu-Natal.
Oh, nice.
But due to circumstances that we faced, I wasn't able to ngiqede khona. Nqubeko college doing the same course I was doing.
What course was that?
Electrical engineering.
Okay.
And then I studied in college ngiqeda khona. So ngisafuna in-save after college. Ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi ngibone poster ama auditions, and then that's how I got in at the station.
So you saw a poster useThekwini?
No, I was actually back. Yeah, I was back here. Ngangiqede ngo-December, and then it was January. Planning ukuthi okay kulo nyaka I'm applying for in-service training after college. So fortunately I ngathola that poster, and from someone, I think I'll share how did I get the poster as time goes on, but that's just Kwanda.
Awesome stuff. So what I want to know is, okay, so you did say you studied electric engineering, and then awuqedanga, right? And waqhubeka wafunda kodwa. So before uqala i-radio buhleli at home, or were you doing something?
Well, when I got the poster for auditions, I was still applying for in-service training for my electrical engineering, my diploma. So when I got the job, when they called me through the auditions, I continued the radio, and I forgot about my electrical engineering, you know, because it's something that I love, and it's something that I don't feel excited for I'm going to work, you know. So that's how I actually got in.
Okay, amazing, man. I feel like Nami, for me, what I'm doing now is something that I love doing. Whether I'm getting paid or not, it doesn't matter for me, because for starters, I'm building myself as a person, and obviously at the end of the day, when successes do come through, but then when you do something that you love, hey, bro, a lot of things don't matter.
To add on that, I think if mostly on entertainment, you know, abantu abaningi on entertainment, or what should I say, abantu ekumele bangene kahle kahle entertainment, abantu abayithandayo lento abayenza. So I feel like wonke umuntu, almost everyone who entertainment and everyone who's around my space, abantu bonke abawuthanda umsebenzi wabo, nabantu who have passion for izinto abazenzayo. So I believe ukuthi if we entertainment, it should be into oyithandayo kakhulu.
It should be a passion.
Because most people, they make mistakes when selecting careers, you know. So with media, I've seen like a lot of people with mabengena corner. It's something because mostly it doesn't require my qualifications as much as you have to learn, but it doesn't require my qualifications. People are just able to go to enter maybe it's music, music, you know. So
amazing, man. So what I want to know now is that, okay, you did electrical engineering because maybe you thought, okay, whatever. But like, when did you know that you can do radio presenting, or like what? Like, was it something that you always wanted to do? Like, was it something that you always wanted to do? Okay.
Just to take you through, after matric, I did not even know that I'll be a radio presenter. Even after maybe 2 years after matric, I'll be presenting today. So what happened is I met this friend, you know, on social media, number and get on WhatsApp, you know. So mangithola this friend, he wanted to be a radio presenter. So angisendela ama clips akhe athi angimjudgele on how
Yeah.
his presenting skills are, and nami not knowing anything about radio, ngilaleleke ngizwe, and then we ended up sending ama voice notes sithumelana ethi nama ngenze yabo ukuze azoba confident.
Yeah.
Nami ngagcina ngenze, and he was like, you good Jazz mawenza lento. I was like, oh okay, and mina azange ngithathe serious at the time. So
The
it
voice,
happened-
you got the first of all, he's got the voice. Like we are listening to his Uguti,
Oh, yeah, thanks, man.
You got the voice, man.
Yeah, and I'm still gonna get on the voice parts.
Okay.
Yeah, so when we exchanged my voice notes now, we like, Ashut, you good man, yazi. Namganga kunaga when he said that, and there was this time I was sitting with my friends, sidlala music, and it happened ukuthi le voice engangithumele kuye yangena kwi playlist. I mean, they were surprised. Hayibo,
Okay,
now
okay.
you're doing radio. Why yenzani in the clip? Because
Yeah.
at the time I was using Gagasi FM as on that clip.
Yeah.
I was using Gagasi FM. So, but wawuye nini? Excuse me. Wawuye nini? And kwenzeka kanjani? I was like, no, ngenza lento
I
on
feel
radio.
like
and
I feel
speak
like
at
there's
home.
something that's the same about me and you,
That's
because
yours.
when I was in Durban last year, right, I went for this other job interview, so we had to read out something to like the guy that was interviewing us.
Yeah.
Like there was a group of people, so when I was next and I was reading, people were like, "Hi, boy, you should do radio." Why don't you? I was like,
Yeah.
"Oh, guys, oh well." But deep down inside, I knew
Yeah.
it's something that I also love doing, you know. So
yeah.
sometimes it's a good thing to get the push from Abantu, you know, and
Yeah,
also
of course.
knowing Ukuthi, I got the push from Abantu because Nami, I feel like I see potential in myself,
Yeah.
and I can actually do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just to continue with my story. So after bangani bami bezwile this time, they were like, "Wawuye nini lapho?" And I was like, "No, let me get recorded guys."
Yeah.
And then they're like, "No, you should try." And then I had a friend also in some of the community radio stations in Durban.
Yeah.
Enanda. Na ngamthumela ivoice yami, angasasixoxa ngani safika lapho ekutheni he's doing radio, and I couldn't ngimsendela this clip of mine, and he said it was good. Wayisenda komunye some guy who's now on East Coast Radio, Sam Cele.
Okay.
Wayisenda kuye, and the guy will reply on my inbox on Facebook, but he was very good with radio, like you should try out, go for auditions. Akuphelanga nensuku engakanani, they sent me a post. I was here in Ladysmith, but they sent me a post that I said Durban Bona about the auditions.
That's
in
great,
Ladysmith,
man.
You know? So I went in the first round, second round, and the finals, and I went through. I made it to, we were 3 of us started at the station, and yeah, so ngangena kanjalo ke radioweni until today, and I love radio. I don't see any other. Okay, I can do other careers, but I just love radio.
Radio.
When I wake up in the
Yeah.
morning and go to work, I don't feel like I'm working.
Dude, you have just motivated me into a whole nother level.
man.
Like, he's amazing. I love him, his personality. He's just an amazing person, man. So, the next thing I want to ask you, now that you're on radio, now that you are
Yeah.
here in Ladysmith doing your thing, do you remember the first show that you did? And if you do
Yeah.
remember, how did it feel? Like, did you run out of words?
Yo.
Did you, I don't know, did you talk during?
You know, as community radios, in community radio stations, kumele ufunde like everything.
Yeah.
And kumele ufunde ngesikhathi. So I was expecting ukuthi mhlambe ngisazohlala nje observe mhlambe for the whole month. The first day I went there, okay, it's your first day today to do the show.
Yeah.
I was doing an love show from 10 to 1 on Sundays.
Okay.
10 extending to 1 Emini. It's called Mind, Body and Soul Therapy. I was Dr. Love Jr.
I can
There was
imagine you
Dr.
saying,
Love.
it's Dr. Love. Like, I can already.
Yeah, so that's how it happened. And then on my first show, kwakukhona ke no Dr. Love, and I was
Yeah.
Dr. Love Jr. So Michael was Dr. Love. So when we started the show, wangitshela ukuthi I'll do the last hour. Mina, the first day I thought I was there to observe.
Yeah.
So mangitshela ukuthi I'll do the last hour. I was like, oh my goodness, like ngizothini ebantwini. As much as I loved radio and I had that clip, abantu
Yeah.
ababeyizwa, but I did not know ukuthi ngizothini ebantwini, you know. So when I got there, ngaba comfortable nje na emayikhuluma. Yeah, and I remember ukuthi in one of the shows ngisafunda, one of the producers was there.
Yeah.
One of the producers here was there.
Shout out.
He was a guest in the
Shout
show.
out.
So
Shout
it was,
out.
it was very nice, you know. It was very nice, and
Yeah.
it was something I didn't expect. Because you know, ukuthi into moyiqala, the first day moyiqala, usuke
Everyone is just glued to
yeah,
you.
yeah. As much as we radio ungababoni, but you know, okay, everyone knows I wrote on my socials, I'll be like, it's my first day on radio.
Yeah.
I was asking shit of it, oh guys, I got the opportunity to go to radio.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it happened, and the first day was amazing. A lot of like abantu bangisupporta kakhulu.
Yeah.
Until today abantu basangisupporta, you know, you're very good at this, like uqhubeke njalo ungayeki futhi, you know. So my first day nje ngasho okay, I can do this.
All right.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff. So the next question that I have for you is that you do a show from 9 to 12, right?
Yeah.
And obviously, when you are at home and sitting and listening to radio, during those times, it's old people. Abantu abadala. So when at your age, you are very young, but you are interacting nabantu abadala emakhaya. So how do you adjust yourself to have the same capacity as abantu abadala at home?
Yeah.
How do they relate to you? How do you make them ukuthi babe comfortable when they're talking to you?
Okay, I think God works in mysterious ways, you know.
Yeah.
Because when I started doing the show, okay, can you please do the Sunday show? Because in the figure at the auditions, my first audition, doing a gospel show, because
Yeah.
it's just that izinto, you know, like going to work, having events, so but because I was growing up, I had to go to school and then
Yeah.
so ngiyacabanga ukuthi naloko kwangisiza kakhulu ekuthenini ngikwazi ukwenza izinto engikwazi ukuzenza eradioweni namhlanje. I'm able to do like ama-shows are various.
Yeah.
So I want to get to the point yokuthi how do I manage ukuthi ngisakazela abantu abadala
How?
and
How?
ngomuntu omusha, you know.
Yes.
And also on
Ngomuntu
the
omusha mina,
entertainment.
but I am very crazy. Abantu abadala would be like, nayiphela ingane.
Yeah, so
But
if
anyway.
if I say God works in mysterious ways, I
Yeah.
mean that ukuthi okay, ngakwazi ukuthi ngiye esontweni ngafunda inkolo ngazi uNkulunkulu, and then from there I was able to implement that ukukhuluma kuma phambili esontweni ushumayela abazalwane. I was able to implement that emsakazweni, and it was very easy. It didn't feel like umsebenzi omningi now, you know, sekumele ngishintshe from Mind, Body and Soul, which is love
Yeah.
show, to now gospel show, you know. And then coming to 9 to 12, where there's a lot of people in the audience akhona kakhulukazi omama nobaba abantu asebekhulile. So when I started that show, nami ngangazi ukuthi ngizothini kubona, but it was easy ukuthi ngikhulume nabo. I think because ngagrumeka esontweni ukuthi uyakwazi ukuphilisana nabantu, ukwazi nokusho izinto ezimotivate abantu, you know.
Yeah.
So it's angazi ukuthi ngachaza kanjani, but it's just me. I think in the personality yami, I'm not that bubbly, you know. So now I think iyangisiza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibasondeze eduze
Yeah.
nogogo nomkhulu emakhaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and a lot of people always ask me ukuthi you're doing a 9 to show, you show your mama or manager kanjani. No, it's just a show. You have to be there and present, you know, give
Yeah.
them good content and yonke into izohamba
Uzoba
kahle. It
sharp.
all goes to ekuthenini uthanda umsebenzi wakho, ithanda into oyenzayo. So with me I have passion for radio, I have passion for into engiyenzayo. So yona into eyenza leyo ukuthi everything ibe easy and ube versatile and do anything of this. Yeah.
Oh my God, guys, this guy motivates me so much. I mean, this
Okay.
person is determined about everything that he speaks about, talks about. Uyabona ukuthi you definitely know umsebenzi wakho, bruh. I feel like
Yeah,
no one can tell you anything else. So another thing is that I want you to tell me one thing that people don't know about being on radio. Because
Okay.
abantu abaningi, they think when you're on radio, things are easy. You just get there and
course.
you just get there. You go in studio and you sit down and you just, I don't know,
Yeah.
you talk.
Yeah.
But like, tell us one thing or a few things that people don't know about being on radio.
Yeah.
For umuntu osekhaya or mhlawumbe ocabanga nayo uthatha i-career yokuthi abe i-radio presenter.
Yeah.
I want you
Okay.
to tell them the most important, probably 3 things or 2 things that people don't know about radio.
Okay. So you have to prep for the show and if mhlawumbe isikhathi singasavumi for the interview, or maybe isikhathi usaselele a lot of time with the guest osukunayo ngaleso
Yeah.
sikhathi, you have to push, you have to think, like kumele ucabange, you
Yeah.
know, ukuthi ngizombuza ukuthini and ucabanga into ene sense, into eyi-content right. Don't just ask umbuzo osubuzile mhlawumbe usubuza ngenye indlela because
Yeah.
uzomxaka nayo ukuthi manje usuthi, you know. So it's just those minor things mhlawumbe abantu abangazazi ukuthi we actually prep and there's a lot eyenzakalayo you have to press the mouse, you have to do everything, you know. So yeah, there is a lot behind the scenes with radio. Most of there's a lot.
There's a lot. There's definitely a lot.
Behind
Yeah.
maybe prepping the guest or preparing what okay, what's the next feature and ngizoyenza kanjani, you know. So
Yeah.
ilezo zinto ikakhulukazi nje ezibaleke kakhulu about radio abantu abangazazi.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also radio is fun. I'd say that
It's fun. It's great. It's fun.
Yeah, it's a
amazing.
package. Ihamba nayo nje ukuthi, okay, if you get into radio, it's fun. Yeah.
Amazing stuff, man. So what I want to know now is that, first of all, I know my inspiration, like a person that inspires me
Yeah.
with the career path that I'm in now, right? Isn't I'm here, you see me, you see you, I see you, you see everybody,
Yeah,
we're
we
here.
see each other.
We see
each other.
My inspiration, guys, is Bonang Mateba.
Yeah.
She's good in radio, she's good in TV, she's a
versatile,
businesswoman as
yeah,
well.
she's
So
everywhere.
I'm inspired by her, I don't want to lie. So when personally, who inspires you in the radio industry and why?
Okay, I'll be honest, ne? I do radio, but I don't listen to too much of radio. I listen to izinto mhlambe ngisuke ngiyifuna ngalezo sikhathi,
Yeah.
and then just shift and go back to my shell. So
Yeah.
when it comes to radio, like I don't have umuntu that I look up to, but there's a guy oyedwa nje who inspires me. Ngeke ngamention earlier, he works for East Coast Radio right now, Semcele. I just see ukuthi journey yakhe. I think ingoba I have to go through the same steps as he did,
Yeah.
you know, starting from a community radio and hoping ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uzogcina ufikise into my radios amakhulu. Now he's on East Coast Radio. He started on Inanda FM to DYR, Durban Youth Radio, and now he's on East Coast Radio and doing great things corner. So I think he inspires me a lot, you know, looking at him, nature and where he started.
Semcele.
Yes, he's Semcele. He does a show in Tambama, Monday to Thursday, I think around 6 to 10, yeah, on East Coast Radio. So yena umuntu that I look up to, and he's a peer to me.
Okay.
You know, because kwesinye isikhathi singabantu abasha, I think it's very important ukuthi sibuke nabantu
Yeah.
abaseduze kwethu
Yeah,
abanganathi,
most definitely.
and not abantu abadala. Maybe umuntu omdala ngenza ngesityle
Yes.
esidala ngixeki, but ngiyasho ukuthi omunye umuntu omdala mhlawumbe ngenza ngokwesikhathi sakudala.
Yeah.
But for now, mina umuntu omusha engibukela kuyena is my role model, and he does izinto ezinhle, and nami ngifisa ukuthi mhlambe ngelinye ilanga ngifane naye noma ngasafananga naye kodwa izicathulo zami nami ngihambe where he did.
My guy, you just covered everything. You just summed everything up. Shout out to you, Semcele. They're doing amazing things. They're inspiring our young Kwanda Sithole right here, doing amazing things as well. Nqubeko FM. Is there any other radio station that you see yourself usebenza kuyo maybe in the near future?
Yeah.
And if that is so, ikhona ngempela, why is it that you want to work for that particular radio station?
All right. I think it's popular wonke umuntu community radio.
I mean,
And also abantu who
Yeah.
are doing izinto locally,
Yeah.
local media, you know. So
Yeah.
I think bonke abantu they wish to be kuma platforms amakhulu. So noma ngeke ngisho imsakazo engafisa ukuba kuyona emkhulu,
Yeah.
but I'd wish to see myself ngikuyo leyo msakazo emkhulu and doing great things kuyona, you know, siza abantu and putting izinto out there.
Yeah.
And as a youth, I believe ukuthi thina abantu esaziyo zonke izinto ezenzakalayo. So ukuba khona kwethu in those bigger radio stations, I think ingakwenza futhi ngalenza noshintsho
Yeah.
nanendlela abantu abasha abenza izinto ngakhona. I think nabo bengafunda ekuthina abantu abasha nabo bayakwazi ukuthi
Yeah.
benze izinto ezinkulu, you know.
Yeah.
So yes, it's isifiso sami esikhulu nami into being noma ke ukungena into big radio stations, and I'd like to be a station esisakaza ngesiZulu because I love Zulu, and you know
I'd love
Zulu.
both.
Yeah,
I love
and
to speak in Zulu and English.
yeah.
It'd be
When
nice.
commercial radio,
Yeah, commercial radio stations,
So
yes.
yeah, it's just bigger radio stations.
Yeah.
Don't ngeke ngisho ukuthi ziphi, but
Yeah.
sonke siyafisa ukuthi siyibone
Most
radio
definitely,
stations amakhulu.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that is amazing, by the way, and I wish you all the best of luck with that.
Thank you so much.
More doors should open for you. Opportunities as well, Nje, everything, prosperity, success,
Yeah.
man.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, so another thing that I want to know now is that what do you think of the state of radio right now in South Africa?
Okay,
Like, if you judge the industry of radio, how do you see, like, your judgment on it? Like, is it growing? Is it just on a standstill? you know the advantages and disadvantages of the
Yeah.
states of where it's like uthi kuphi manje. Like how do you judge that?
You know, as much as I work for a community radio, now ngibona ikhula kakhulu. It's such a huge platform. Again,
Yeah.
when we are in big events, we are all taken as media personalities.
Yes.
We are all media.
Yeah.
From bigger radio stations, community radio stations, commercial, we are all media. So, ama stations working abona yakhula, even ours, Nqubeko FM, ikhula like ngesivinini kakhulu. A lot of people, ever since it's 14 COVID-19,
Yeah.
you know, a lot attention ikhona kakhulu in stations because ibona abantu abandlulisa umlayezo emphakathini. You
Yeah.
know? So yeah, istations ziyakhula, but there's something eyenzakala about radios ukuthi opportunities, they are there but not there, you know.
Yeah.
Opportunities are there for celebrities. Most radio stations bathatha ama celebrities.
That's true.
You know,
That's
and ngiyasibona isizathu sabo ukuthi yini vele
Yeah.
ukudonsa audience, right?
Yeah.
But abantu bavaleleka amathuba, you know. At least if all radio stations, like bigger radio stations, government radio stations and commercial radios,
Yeah.
they're going to opportunity maybe once a year going to auditions for
Yeah,
everyone,
for everyone.
to come there, you know,
New
just like
talent.
ama idols,
New talents,
siye
new
khona
faces.
and siye ukuthi kwenzakalani, you know.
Yeah.
So ama radio stations I've seen ukuthi bathatha ama celebrities manje, and I think lokho kuvalela amathuba abasakazi abasakhula
Yeah.
basafisa ukuyibona lapha, and naloko kuyabenza ukuthi mhlambe babuye nabo babona ukuthi man ngizofika nini lapha yana, you know, baphelelwe ithemba, but sinethemba ke siyazi futhi ukuthi sizofika lapho sifisa ukufika khona.
Most definitely through
Yeah.
hard work
Of
and
course.
dedication.
Of course.
Sizofika lapho,
Yes.
guys. Yes. So, as we are about to come to the end of the show, I want to ask you, tell us 3 things outside radio, just yourself. 3 things that we do not know about you. 3, just 3.
Yeah, okay. I'm on radio, right?
Ngithe izinto that are outside radio,
I'm going
things
there.
that we
I'm
just
going
don't
there.
know.
I'm
Okay.
going there.
Okay.
So as I'm on radio, abantu they expect you ukuthi ube bubbly.
Yeah,
I'm very
yeah.
antisocial. Well, I'm starting to break the ice, you know. Sengiyaqala ukuthi ngikwazi to interact with people. Uyabona ngihleli nabantu, it's very hard for me ukuthi ngixoxe nabantu and get to
Why
know them.
is that?
I don't know. I think it's just in my nature. It's one thing you guys don't know about me. Yeah. So it's hard for me to like when some conversations nabantu, but
Yeah.
it's getting there because umsebenzi wami uyangiphoqa vele ukuthi ngaso
You
sonke
have
isikhathi
to.
ngihlezi interact nabantu, you know. I'd say I was antisocial. Sengiyabuya kancane ngiba a bit social. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's one. What's the second thing? Well,
So the first one is you were a very antisocial person,
Yeah,
but now
yeah.
you are coming out the shell.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's one. Second thing
I
is
don't know the second one.
nah.
Okay, I'm a party person. I like going out.
We get along there, you
I
know.
just love going out. You know,
Yes.
people will just hear me
Yeah.
on radio. Mhlawumbe ngisho ezinye zezinto ezibalekile. You know, staying at home. Well,
Yeah.
I just stay at home because kumele sihlale ekhaya.
Yeah.
But I go out. I have fun, just like wonke umuntu omusha.
Yeah.
When it's time for work, it's work. You know,
Yeah.
ngiyahlukanisa umsebenzi and having fun. So that's me. I love having fun. I love going out.
Yes, that is me too. I love having fun. I love
I know, right?
I love interacting with people. But if you don't like me, I don't like you too. Then it's fine. But anyway,
Yeah.
okay. Now the third thing that we don't know about you is
Another one.
yeah. I said 3
Okay.
things.
Well, what's the last one? Well,
When is your birthday?
my birthday is on the 8th of July. Presents are welcome every iminyaka yonke. So into abangayazi abantu will be watching. So my birthday will be on the 8th of July. It's on the
Okay.
8th of July. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the third one.
Amazing stuff, man. So before we close off the show, please let people know where they can find you on your social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything. Just
Okay.
pick the camera and tell them.
Okay, my social media handles on Facebook, I'm Kwanda Sithole. Sithole with SI, because usually abantu bathi S and then they say T.
Yeah.
So my SI, Kwanda Sithole on Facebook. It's Kwanda_Sithole. Instagram, it's Kwanda_KS on Twitter. Yeah.
All right.
Corner on social media.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff, man. So you guys, Niwazwile ama social media handles. If you do want to interact with him, if you want to find out more of the things that he's doing, his daily life, whatever that he posts, if you want to see all of those things, you can catch them on his social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Yeah.
I'll also check you out as well. Kota even Moss.
Yeah,
Yes. So guys, yes, this was The Rising. I had a great time with the Kwanda Sithole. I wish you all the best of luck. And Nqubeko
you so
FM.
much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I wish you all the best of luck. Please do stay tuned for more. If you are watching this, please do like, subscribe, comment, leave your comments there. We're gonna reply. Do the things, man. Let's make each other happy. To success, to prosperity, to amazingness.
To everything.
This was your girl Shaz here on The Rising. Catch you next time. Peace out.